Yeah. Style, yeah. That dancer name, Twingy Twang. See it, yeah. One man upon the walk with the
Secretary them up front with it.
Secretary up front.
Mix clap. Mix claps. I'm dreading that woman. I come my home here. Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them are clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop the gun, lose me feel. Then I want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day.
Well, that's a love. Good morning. I'm General Kuna. Welcome, guys. Everything goes already. This is the morning after set. But the video man is running late. So we are on time. So the video man is running a bit late and everything. Yeah, so we're here on spot. But the video man is running a bit late because we do want to catch the sunrise. So I guess he's running late. So I'm saying sometimes in life everything happens for a reason. So we're here, waiting for the video man to turn up. So far, we have we have John. Welcome to Trenchtown.
Yeah, man.
John himself is here. Welcome to Trenchtown. And over here we have Satnam.
Bless up to everyone, all the viewers, all the subscribers, blessed love. We're gonna do something big today, right?
Yeah, next to Rasta Jackson.
Yeah, we're family, Rastafari.
Yeah.
All the extended family. Loving every time,
Yeah. Guys, it's early in the morning, and trust me, it's well early. Boom just gone over. So the worship a turn up, so it's hard for some of these men to turn, when them don't see sun outside. They want to lie down same way. As I say, today's gonna be a wonderful day. Despite the shot that we did want, we never really get it. As I say, but Almighty knows what's best. Sometimes we cannot complain, more than try to change the energy. So want to keep it positive, see me and just keep that momentum going, because Satnam said great things in the pipeline, through the South Coast, great things in the pipeline, so we're keeping it positive always. First one out the stable. There's many more to come out the stable, guys, many more. So yeah, so we here waiting on the video man to turn up anytime soon, so we can start. 30 grand. 30 grand, just like him, just yarn. 30 grand, like him, just a yarn. Just a yarn, 30 grand. So 30 grand.
Turn me in the next gear.
You see, same thing.
Turn me in the next gear, man.
You see, the same thing is just turning in that next gear, And that's John there. And you're so close, him live right to the set. He was not far away. Right on location, in just a turn. So imagine, he missed the sunset, the sunrise, it's everything you miss.
Maybe I should start shooting video,
Yeah.
I was there 450 something.
Yeah, 4 something, yeah.
Ready because for 5 o'clock we can start rolling. 5:15 we start rolling.
From early.
God knows best,
And them time when Satnam reach here, I'm blending up a smoothie in the kitchen, so I'm coming out with my smoothie. From 4 o'clock. No. Yeah, it's broken, man. Once them say the night, them say want to sleep. You know?
Look and learn.
Look and learn, man. But as I say, it's gonna be great. It's gonna be a great day today. Trust me. You know, just feel the energy. You know, starting and bringing that positive moment back into Trenchtown from the Dream League. You know, from the Dream League, the football tournament.
Netball one's
And
coming.
yeah.
Any of the young girls that are watching, the netball competition is coming very soon.
Yes.
It's bigger and better than the boys
Of
one.
course.
Trust me. I promise you.
I have a netball pool already.
Yes, man.
Shooting
Trust
already.
their tournament's gonna be hotter. There's gonna have more prizes and more. Watch. Girls,
Yeah.
watch out. All the young ladies
I
out
will
there.
start early. I will start for
One
all
thing
the
we
time.
forgot
Yeah.
about you. We never forget.
Yeah,
about
never
you.
forgot.
It's a
We are
balance.
start,
That's the far.
I will start early for them time,
Yeah.
early, coming touching on the different thing, you know.
Yeah.
Start early.
That's true. That's true. That's one thing. Satnam always talk about the girls them, you know, because you know we done the football twice already. We done one by the park, you know, and then we done a street one. So Satnam always listen and say netball for the ladies them now, you know. So we're going to have that netball for the ladies them as well on the street, you know. So yes, guys, I'm gonna say stay tuned, anticipating this video shoot. It's gonna be good. It's a lovely song. Yeah, you guys gonna love everything, you know. So this is just the build up, you know, of everything. So yes. So I'm just waiting on the video man to turn up, man. Just
That one for the elders.
yeah.
The month we're supposed to have something special a spot like this with the Almighty bless me with. We have to cut out the negativity, we have to cut out the darkness, you know,
Of
bring light,
course.
as much light as we can, like this song. This song is going to bring light to this community.
Yeah.
I want to bring light, as much light as we can, because that's all the little youth them want, is some guidance and some light. That's all they want, and we have that light for them.
Just.
More time we're all busy in our own little worlds, but that's what it's about, man, is we have to shine the light anytime we can, and this song is one of those examples, man.
Yeah.
Man.
The resurrection of a keynote back again. How many years?
Yes, bro.
Competition, football, netball.
Yeah. Competitive.
But I was telling the one that money bet for that one that and we had 7 deep for that.
The thing is, Babylon, they know what they're doing. We just better know what we're doing, Jackson.
That's true.
Right? They know what they're doing. We can't watch them, you know.
Them know them a do man, them a do everything man. Them a do everything we go on man. Everything we see go on, them a do everything man.
Remember they told us, remember they said, Kino, last time the commissioner said that we can't do it. If he find one youth on the pitch, he will arrest them, remember?
Yeah.
See, I just said no.
Yeah.
No. You don't have the power.
Exactly.
We still did the tournament and everything. Not one trouble.
Not one.
Fight, no one.
Not one at all.
First prize trophy, even the Virgin Iway.
Iway come through. And it was a good
nice, man.
and come at the right time and the community was unsettled. And that does bring the community back. Yeah, man. Everybody start to come out.
Every month, though. We don't want to do a one-time thing. We want it
Every month.
Every month we do something.
Yeah.
Every month we do something, man.
Yes man.
Yeah, but you know, through this vision we have, definitely, it's going to be
Get them off
known.
their phones. Get them off away from their phones. Back to reality, you know?
Yeah,
Get them back to brick and nature, you know? Like
Reality man.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah.
We got it, so we have it. We got it. We got all of that, so we want to give it to them. Come on.
So boom there.
It's lost. They're not going to know how to show their
Rasta Messi. To get in these early face in the morning. Them always get the evening face coming off work, you know. No, this is what it look like with them because them still stretching. He's been here early. And the dogs them is here. Look, for the video shoot, there's one here, one there, the another there. If you look down the street, they all here. You know, they line up. Yeah, they're here. No one on the street as yet. Damn. Oh, chef. See the immigration officer there, you know. To give you the visa. For the visa for New York. New York. Oh, chef, miss it, sir.
Alright, I'm still gonna get my face washed off, you know.
Watch out. The toothbrush. Watch the toothbrush.
Yeah, man, it's me, I say.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, come just arise up, man.
Yeah, so brush your teeth with them still.
Whoa, brush my teeth already, but wash my face, you know.
Yeah.
Cup of hot tea in the morning, nurse. Pick up, you know. Yo, sup, man. Yeah, man.
Yeah, what's the coat with him toothbrush? What's the coat with him toothbrush, you know?
Yeah, man. See me, I say. Quick and fast, man. But up on the ground, man.
Yeah.
Line up myself, you know.
So immigration is here to give you a visa, man.
Immigration, respect for that.
New York, you're going, you know.
Need it, you know. Badly, you know. Yeah, man. One of them, you know. No, you so come on now. I'm gonna show it to him now.
He's going to New York.
Yeah, Gino,
Right.
get no, brush up the place out. No!
Mario, give me coat that's expensive, coat not well dear.
Watch out. Coat not expensive, coat not well dear. Tell all the farmer fi plant up this year. Coat not expensive, coat not well dear. Tell all the farmer fi plant up this year. This is something where my own weakness. Coat not it a sell in a supermarket. It have a ask the price it carry. Price pan it. Coat not is whatever is like the national dish. Everything when me ya cook. In a hit, me rice and me peas a coconut juice in my hit. Me call me porridge the juice but in a hit. Quote that expensive, quote that well dear. Tell all the farmer fi plant up this year. Yeah,
man.
That's a preview. I'm my road man.
In the building.
We there, man.
Yeah.
Right in the
Trenchtown.
in the headquarter, Trenchtown.
Yeah.
You know we is not a clown.
Yeah.
Right now we in town.
Yeah.
Yo, watch out. Run it because you don't know say we full of chalk.
Yeah.
Yeah, touch it.
Alright.
Watch out.
Give me a man that stuff.
People will put things are going in a jam down. Is like them price increase coffee mash us down. Well, the put things are going in a jam down. Is like them price increase coffee mash us down. People stick out and tell me if we're foolish. We use 5 bills and buy pound of fish. Stick out and tell me if we're foolish. We can't find money for send the youth them at school. Who I make every day things are raised. That's who raise it dead from out of the grave. Camille, me say it there and flour we can buy chicken back. Me say motless chicken. People will put it on in a jam down. Like the prices. Yeah man, on that side there.
What Maroon, my energy.
People, you know when we come around with that clown, we have to energy.
Energy.
Maroon man, I can't find 2 songs after you. I don't want to work after you, you know. You can't work. Promote there, you know. I don't want to work after Maroon man.
Energy left.
Energy! No! You know! Me love to see the breast, them stick out. Oh, tell me, I have to look out. Tell them I belt your big that chill out because me love to see the breast, them stick out. Oh, tell me, I have to look out. Tell them I belt your big that chill out because girl them on the east, say they want a piece. Girl round the west, say them are the best. Girl out the south, them not talk about. Girl down the north, say they want the slaughter. Yo, I want my road, you know when I under me tequila. My lava tinini. My lava tinini. I don't want to get too para and ara. And you know when me under this thing, you know, it beat me sometime.
What do you take for your energy, you know?
What do you go with me energy? My lava tinini.
What do you take for energy? Wicked, you know, man.
I want my own, you know. Showtime.
Yeah.
Yo.
I know it's keen of it.
Jackson there. Yeah, man, Jackson come bust up, man.
Yeah.
You don't know.
Yeah.
You know, have a son.
Rum.
What do you the rum?
Yeah.
Fling Kevin down. What do you
The
the
rum.
Give Keisha 2 sons. What
What
do
is
you
the
the
rum?
Make
Make the building turn down. The rum.
What do you the rum?
Yeah.
Love Jah with all of your heart. Love Jah. Maroon man attack. Love Jah with the Bible in your hand. Worship Almighty and left out Satan. Love Jah with all of your heart. Love Jah. Maroon man attack. Love Jah. With the Bible in your hand, worship Almighty and left out your man. Every day then get up, but then gonna up your man. One rotten half head foot, rotten half hand. One to live man, now lean a dead man. Them they sin thing, they no write it wrong. Father, you hear me prayer, and me feel the blessing of your power. Father, you hear me prayer, and me feel the blessing of your power. Every day then get up, with them fussing and fighting, with them gunshot and a spear and knife thing. And no believe me say inna the love thing. God Almighty, I go spite him. He's the kings of kings and the lords of lords. Conquering lion of the tribe of Judah. I forgive thanks to my only Father. Love Jah, with all love Jah. Maroon man attack, say love Jah. With the Bible in your hand, worship Almighty and left out Satan. Love Jah, with all on what? Love Jah. Maroon man attack, love Jah. With the Bible in your hand, worship Almighty and left out Satan. Every day then get up and mama alabal, saying one son just gone down the mark.
Satnam, this is what I'm the maroon man, you know.
No mongrel dog can lick up with tongue. Energy. Yeah, this side.
Yo, come for elephant man, may I tell you?
I see your thing you say.
No.
Elephant man.
Elephant man, go and go sit down, cause yeah, my brother still, but he might come for ragarugi.
Ragarugi brown and you're black. Hello, babe, you right?
Beautiful, gorgeous.
But the one saying now change your identity.
Yeah, man.
Never.
Yeah.
Black eye, yeah, man, black eye, maybe. Never again to change my identity. Black eye, I'm black eye, maybe. Never again to change my identity. Watch out. My name is Maroon Man from Foundation. A long time they have me on the plantation. Handcuff me out, handcuff me hand. Now me release as a fit Jamaican. My name is Maroon Man from Jamaica. Energy.
One mad dog in the place.
Maroon man.
Mad dog are rolling in there.
No, me a try.
One mad dog.
Eyeglass boss.
Eyeglass boss.
One dream thing. They got me for money there. They got my family over there.
Of course.
See
that?
So big up them man. I hear so know them man.
Maroon man.
Way up to the sky.
Industry.
Style. They have a boss of style and show on. Style. That dancer named Twingy Twang. See it here. One man up on walk with the left. Finger. Lower the finger. Tell her, remember the talk I was saying daddy. I asked her, I can't call her daddy because I'm over and I'm say sister. Take it up to the world and say them say daddy. Who said daddy?
You said daddy.
Who named daddy?
One mad dog.
Who said brother?
One mad dog.
And them take it up on them say brother. Follow fashion monkey them.
You're the dancer bad, me not like.
Way up to the sky.
I like time what I got me still now. One thing it too. It's the dancer what I got truly.
Yeah, buddy. Oh, you do it.
Twing it. Put them now. Twing it. Walk with it. Walk with it. Way up to the straight, you know. Way up to the sky.
Straight. Yeah, so man.
Artists like him have some of us saying.
Yes, sir. You know how it is. You're a great Chilla Miller. You come to the video, they must say. The strip have been stripped down.
We man are artist comedian, just so
I must say him turn. Him a call me. This is the boy turn.
Yeah, man.
I'm coming out.
I'm here first.
Vibes Cartel and Busy Signal.
Busy signal song, man.
And the mark on my over man.
Say badness turn, badness a call me.
Yeah.
Beat the boy with the batter. That
Oh yeah.
And of course, I say, Medicus do those food. You want hits?
Yeah, we sure know.
Boy, show the cartel picture me and say, no, this is a bigger Wobia now.
Yeah.
You have to go up with your money.
Yeah.
Oh, this is somebody come and run the car.
Yeah.
All the rubber when I tell you to bring,
Yeah.
who want the whole pen? I mean, I want to look for salt. See, go and do salt. Yeah. Them dopey are sophisticated. They want to channel now.
And the rum the way you bring?
And I rub the way you bring.
Yeah.
Me didn't tell you. I want me to tell you.
Quad, you tell me what quad?
Me tell you. No, yeah. Me that tell him say. Me that tell him to bring like rum bar.
Yeah.
I mean, I say, yo, with cartel case, me no want a rum bar. Real nephew, the case.
And the word case.
Remember a big company this we have to go get for them, man. Look at dummy.
Yeah, a big.
Hear the dog now. So what you need all of that for something there? May I say the dopey them sophisticated. Remember 2025 dopey. Then cook and then eat like how we sitting there. So we need 2 pounds of flour. 4 pounds of flour. And what? Salt. We need salt.
Yeah.
And bring chef.
Yeah.
No, chef. Boom. They dopey them love boom.
I just said that we don't say if you ever witness a dopey chariot, dopey round a front and dopey round a back, dopey in a white and dopey in a black, dopey. Watch ya, the one ya. Dopey chariot come catch it, dopey chariot. Dopey chariot come catch it, dopey chariot. If you're really poor, say no, you no got. Cause some other race and you have into that. You want a piece of land, you have to check Barnabas. Like 6'6", me say don't get enough cat with a 4-inch glass, no cat on the top. A 3-inch screw it down hard. Get it dopey chariot.
Get it dopey chariot. Dopey chariot. You get it dopey chariot.
You know you're doing a one team, no team.
If you try to build a dopey tune from me here now.
Right past my take
Right past spot. That about dopey tune. We should all quick to build tune past
People, me sure say, whoever on the day watch this right now and say, you can feel the man energy. Right now, like it's a 220 man set.
Energy, full force. Energy.
Yo, when the man don't win, have no energy. The man take on the whole away energy.
Energy.
That's right.
Light up power. Current.
The man was
Light
and power and current.
Be energy.
We don't want to creep up yet.
Why creep up yet?
Remember the video man almost reached, you know, so we can't have the energy lose, you know.
Now one liquor.
Yeah.
Just boom alone.
Yeah, just boom alone.
Yeah, easy for turn. Yo, one little split, man. Give me a little split, liquor that.
Yeah. Because the video man, they put him way. We don't want him lose the energy so fast, you know. Why do you go from the river and the man full of energy, you know, and go take up the Ray and nephew? Him can't say energy. God! Yo, perfect. What do you have in the pan? Yo, what did the man drink the Ray and nephew, man? And yo, man can't say energy.
That's why I tell him drink beer, bro. I want the energy.
I tell you, we can't make him lose that energy there. Hey, sat down, we went in the world. We went on the river with him start off with pure energy. And we start drinking the rum, energy gone. He was like, energy. No! Gone! Yeah! That's how we tell him, so we don't want him drink too much yet. He's going to lose that energy, you know? Right, John? Welcome to Trenchtown, man. This is what we like in Trenchtown, you know? Energy. Yeah, man. Hey. No, so we can't Maroon man, guys. We cannot make Maroon man lose our energy already.
No.
And the video shoot not start yet. So this is behind the scene. You know? This is behind the scene we're shooting right now. This is the vibes of all them behind the scene. We have Triller Miller in the place. You know?
Watch them friends there. Watch them friends there.
Yeah.
Watch them friends there.
Oh.
We have to watch them Monday. Watch them
Tuesday.
Watch them Wednesday. We have to watch them Zinc there. Watch them Links there. Watch them Wednesday.
Oh. Watch them friends there. Watch them friends there.
Watch them friends. They not come out yet, man.
Watch them Monday. Watch them Tuesday, better. Watch them Wednesday.
Watch them Monday.
Watch them Tuesday. Watch them Wednesday.
Watch them Wednesday. Watch them Wednesday. Watch them Wednesday. Watch it now, you better. Watch them Thursday.
Watch them Friday.
Watch them Saturday.
Oh.
Watch them Sunday.
Watch them Monday. Watch them Tuesday. Yeah.
Chip out the Thursday. Come back with a look of one and go back
I wonder if if we come back with the Thursday, Friday, and if we just left it as the friends. I'm in a record it, write me right it, you know. Go back with the Thursday, yeah.
She said I look of flow right.
Yeah.
Watch them Friday.
So you know, the last verse, you know, is either me I go say, watch them Thursday, watch them Friday, watch them Saturday.
Yeah.
Or me that go just put it as to the last verse me that go say. Yeah, just continue it. Watch them friends there. Watch them friends there. Watch them friends there. But the Thursday is a two thing, you know, either that or I'm putting the Thursday part because the Thursday part makes sense.
Yeah, that me I
But
tell
it's
you
stop on Wednesday.
Yeah, stop on Wednesday. I'm picking
So
it
I'm
up
picking it up back. So a Thursday, Friday, Saturday, I'm going in the week. So it's like we are watching every day.
Yeah, but you know, you have to keep it straight down.
No,
we go out with the Wednesday, we keep in another thing, and then we come back for the Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
Right on the Wednesday, they say just come in.
Watch them friends there. Watch them friends there. Watch them friends there. Watch them Monday. Watch them Tuesday. Watch them Wednesday. Watch them Links there. Watch them ends there. Watch them Wednesday. You better watch them Thursday. Watch them Friday. Watch them Saturday.
That is a way they say that more thing, and it's a tune that you know. One part of it, bro. It's a good first course that. Yeah, bro.
So red set up here left.
So yeah.
Alright guys, you know the thing that I'm gonna say? We'll be here still waiting on the video, man. So I guess he's not far away now. You know, he just contact until the feed on his way, so he's not far right now, you know. So you know the thing goes already. So it's gonna be a wonderful day, you know, good shoot. So stay tuned for that one day. So stay tuned. Behind the scene. Boom! Take out the red thing.
The secretary them up front with it.
Secretary up front.
You know let's shoot them, let's shoot them.
Mix clap! Hey, see mix clap, I'm granny that over there. I come, Asuka! Mix clap!
Yeah, I brought that off. It's a whole facility.
Like two, you know, man, I get the picture. The sound and
Alright. MP in the building. Blessings. MP, yeah. As you know, the MP is here, so we are showing the MP part in the building.
Man, we have put the light. We have put the light where you say, a long time,
Yeah.
you know, you do your performance, like in the back road. Probably him cannot go up on the leather and me, they like me and say, but it's still a chop it, what we have cost.
Yeah. Sams! You come now. Come with the ball. We're gonna keep ball. Oh, yeah, that's how you hear the music, man. First upon the view, yeah, so. Yeah?
Show more with the cost.
Oh, I can't tell them. Satnam! Call him. Satnam! Where's Satnam? Come now.
The empty car?
Yeah? Come on, we'll go back to the
Yeah. We are walking now?
Yeah. We're going to meet up. Come on. The whole of come, the whole of everybody come. Boom!
Real authentic scene, you know? Get us.
Like when I saw?
Yeah, man. Real get us scene, you know? Yeah, man. Let's see some privacy.
The building the way that's it. Over there, so. Yeah.
So which one is the key?
Over this one. Yeah? Over that one.
Over that one?
Yeah. After the first one before him go culture yard. Yeah.
What's the have to be in the move around there?
Yeah. The red over here, so.
Yeah, them cut down the street.
Yeah.
Like for the blue come from the red ends, you know?
Blue side.
Again, they want to blow over that side there, where the bag is.
Blue over here.
On the shoe.
Yeah. So the red that over here, so.
And the blue comes in, come through on the ends.
I take a walk again.
You have to say one that's there.
Una take back a walk.
Chilla, where you can?
Blue, Chilla, una over here, so.
Come on, put that. Brother.
Yo, mind water there.
Come on, blue.
MP, give me a walk again.
Your shoes there.
We are doing a walk, come back right up.
Yeah. So the only the red. Where am I? Where am I?
MP. Red forward.
Where am I over here, so? I'll go back for them.
Formation to walk. You know what?
Yo, on the bungalow, where am I going now? On like on a group up.
Action. Keep showing me around. Oh man,
Glad you can see how them place here. Eh? What is it? What is it? Sat down. Yeah. Come on, lead the way,
Alright, see it? Yeah.
Foundation first.
Straight up. Yeah, but I want to big up my brethren, Sean. Take time out to big up Sean in England. Yeah, hear me? Big up Lena, you know. Big up the boss wife. Energy. Yeah, man. Sean, big up yourself, Rolex. Yeah, man. Lena. Big up. Energy. Energy. Yeah, man. I say one key in life in Jamaica. Energy.
Energy.
And the biggest video show this time.
What you put there, sir?
Yeah, man, a be a vibe, man. Yeah, big up Angela. Yeah, Lena, big up for yourself. Keen life in Jamaica. Yeah, man, I just said that.
Energy! Yo, Bola man, 1 trillion million.
Bola man,
Right.
Ah, me I tell you, boy. But married man, I take on the whole of my energy, so them told me now, no energy! Energy, straight, guys, you know. So we here, see you here on the 3rd. It lock?
You have to go reverse.
It lock up?
Yeah, it lock.
Let it lock.
The shop lock, that's why I should do that.
Oh, shop lock. It have a lock on it? Oh, it's lock up on it. We have to go run and go up on the street. Yeah.
So the great man come from, you know, them little party and them little
Bob Marley.
remember say me walk through them place here too, you know. Remember say me get look like great.
Yeah, can you attend to Boys Town School?
Yes man. You know say I could have that too. Smoke around there.
When I say that concrete start, then I remember Peter.
Yeah.
Peter got dropped now.
Oh, Peter touch.
Oh, the one we touch?
Yeah, with the concrete.
Yeah.
Man, I run from soldier. But here where Peter do run. When Peter come to the world, Peter turn left sharp. Dropping at the pit in a Joan, my Joan, and shit.
Shit. Hear me, I say shit.
You don't know. Turn out that easy, boy.
Yeah. No, man, never say I'm a legend, man.
Trench Stone. Hello. Hello. Am I a music video shoot? Yeah. Today I do my music video shoot. Yeah. Never know, but I think I'm gonna work. Yeah. When do you think of? They do a music video shoot, so you know that's right. Yeah. Baby, you can't stop it. Hi, you know the thing goes. You know, we're on set, Culinary life in Jamaica. I see you know what video shoots. You know it goes already. We talking the truth. You know, themselves straight I want it gone. You know, trending. You know. Yeah. Tables. On video shows. Cairo. Hey, Cairo.
Get to that more because I don't know what full of channel. Watch out now. Love Jack, we don't like you, man. Love Jack, maroon man attack. Love Jack, put the Bible in your hand. Worship Almighty, your left foot Satan. Love Jack, we don't like you, man. Love Jack,
Where you want it, Daddy?
Love Jack, put the Bible in your hand. Worship Almighty, your left foot Satan. Every day then get up about negana of your man. One rotten off head foot rotten off hand. One to life man a lean a dead man. Them the same thing, no right it wrong. Father, you hear me prayer and me feel the blessing of your power. Father, you hear me prayer and me feel the blessing of your power. Every day then get up with them fussing and fighting, with them gunshot and a spear and knife thing. And no believe me say inna the love thing. God Almighty, I go watch ya. I want energy. Who are fighting? Energy. Who are fighting? Rocko last time.
Yeah.
That is it. One of the keys, yeah, try to customize one of the children. The suka leba, okay? No, record it. Record and tell Uncle Kina. It's a record already. What are you gonna say to Uncle Kina?
Please subscribe.
Please subscribe. Lock it back.
Lock it back.
It is still on.
You want to shot in there, so? Alright.
Beer, man.
Oh, beer. Yeah, guys, so you know the thing goes, so we're on the third set, you know. One cut it, we're on the third set, you know, so you know, everyone's out, you know. Everyone is out. You know, cut the can't think now already yet. No, you were. Come, mother, come! Yeah, we gotta do some set. No, man, we run from the street. Yeah. No, Poachy, it's no dressing up thing. Poachy, this is not dress up video. Yeah. Yeah. White. Yeah. Right now look too clean. Could I catch her when fire bending in a pee-pee? Show them real. Yeah. Yeah. Show them the real life. Yeah.
Anna, you not try to see it, me reach it, but
oh, you not call them straight?
No, him not pick up. I don't know if the chip in it.
Jella keep it, because Jella drink rum. Jella keep it. Alright, so guys, so right now it's a break. It's a full time. Hold on there. We're in the kitchen, frying fish. It's been a while. We're here, guys. Yeah.
I'm there at 100%. One team.
Dream team. You know, it's a video shoot day.
Yeah.
You
100%. Same way.
Yeah.
Key in a video shoot. You say nice. People I love it.
Sure.
Yeah, man.
It's a great look.
It's a nice one.
It's a great look. A great look. So right now we say, so we're in a break. I mean, a food more on. You can go and stay there long winter sun. But they have from before. But they have from before 5 o'clock. You know? So right now I'm waiting on that food. I'm here before sunrise. So imagine I'm here before the sunrise, waiting for the food to come alive. You know? Perfect. It was a good look today.
Yes, man. Yes, man. Look, you see,
yeah.
People stay tuned, you know.
Yeah.
But no, extending family.
Yeah.
On their back.
Yeah.
Bless up yourself. Love. Yeah, man. Stay tuned.
Whoa. You know?
Yeah, man, it's a good look today, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, because all over really done the chef in it, you know.
Yeah.
Just a keep on a real level, you know. So me I say, yeah, man, really done today, you know, but we're on a finishing level up now. Yeah, man, because we have 2 more chefs to do.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, 5:30 and 6 o'clock and 7 o'clock. Yeah, because we're not really, yeah, so we're not really done yet. You see me I say, yeah, we're not really done yet. You see me I say, yeah, man, because we have to up and run the thing, you know. We're not done yet. Yeah, man, so enough blessing, enough love, all for blessing, all for love, too hard, you know. Right, what you know? What you know? Kind of find out, no.
So the MP are rolling in.
Yeah, man.
MP.
MP can be fast, yo, MP can be fast.
You can know when they over drink, you know. The tongue get heavy. The tongue get heavy. Listen, man, when they drink, you can't speak clearly.
Yo, MP can be 5,000 barrels. No, man, shut MP too, man.
Tongue get heavy.
Yo, the book here. The book here, the book here,
yeah. 30 grand, video show.
All of my people
behind the scene.
Love and respect, man. Everybody, man. All extended family. RD, AD, GD, everybody.
All the D's.
Yeah, man. All of the D's, them, yeah, man. So, you don't know. Yeah, man. Culinary, I put in the work, said we, man.
Yeah.
You see me, I say, so I just that. You see me, I say, we're there, I end up the thing, see me with, you know, love and respect. Yeah, man.
Whoa, what you saying?
Oh, yeah, man. I cook tomorrow. Let's talk about dinner, man. Yeah, man. So, that's it. Yeah, man.
That's enough for the MP personally, you know.
Oh, yes,
Sure. Rasta Jackson. Video shoot there today behind the scene.
Yeah. Everything was wonderful. Everything was nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, I love what you go on. Everything can go by. You see, and Connect.
Yeah.
You know, so we are the only dream team. We are the only real team.
Yeah.
Along with the extended family.
Yeah.
More than love them. See, that's why girl, everybody big on yourself.
Yeah.
I know a Keener live. When you listen to Keener live, you listen to Dream Team live. Yeah, and the extended family.
Of course.
Yeah, so everything was wonderful and everything was nice. Extended family. I'm more than love, you know.
Of course.
Yes.
And we have special guests flying all the way from the USA. You know. Yes.
I'm glad to be here with you, Kino.
Yes,
One team, and it's a dream
team. Flying all the way from New York, the raccoon family.
That is it.
You know?
You know, everything set up a road.
One of the raccoon.
They say the raccoon can't fly, but we fly. We go buy the iron bird and fly. You understand? You understand me? So guess what? it's not the first time I make Kino. It's my second time in a real life.
In Queens.
First time is in Queens.
Yeah.
Understand me? I live in a lounge, a raccoon lounge, with the family, and we have a great time. So now we're on film ground.
Alright.
You understand?
Video shoot there. You come in the real action.
In a real venue.
Double action. You come in.
Right in the system.
Right in the system.
Yeah, maroon people, you know.
Yeah, maroon
which
man.
Is the maroon man. Energy.
You know, energy gone now. You know why? The real nephew.
Raccoon is here.
Food and all because you see,
energy gone.
Bite off for 6 dumpling and all.
Yeah.
Raccoon is there.
The rum and the weed. Jesus. There are some places you know, people. Watch out. Yeah, man, we need you know us. So you know we have to recharge, battery run down.
Yeah.
So you know. But it's a good day today.
Of course.
Wonderful day. One video shoot, man. I tell you, mad.
Kina give me a job, people. Kina give me a job. Kina say raccoon. You have to promote the system, you know.
Yeah.
System have to go up a road. I say, what? You give me a job.
Yes, sir.
I give me a job. Thank you for the job.
Yes, sir.
Big bad every reality tune. You see what I say? Reggae music is back again. Just support it when it all paper.
Yes, sir.
You see what I say? Big thing. Real man. Wonderful.
Brother Dexter who star me out.
Wait, so one of the raccoons?
Yeah, raccoon as you,
Okay.
Yeah, Dexter star.
Okay.
We have to leave my home, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, big up yourself, it's me general.
Alright, big up, man, big up. Yeah, man, everything.
Yeah. From a nephew,
yeah.
From a long distance,
yeah,
close distance.
Of course.
Yeah, man.
That is it, man.
Yeah, man.
I
remember again, you know, I take time out for big up my brethren Sean, Rolex of England. Them man there with the big bad every son. Do enough dub plate. You see what I say? Rolex, big up yourself.
Tell him say soon get that tune,
and you soon get that tune, you know. Just go and big up and subscribe to Kina thing.
Yeah.
That tune where we just go video.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, Rolex. I know he's a sound man. For real, and when they come here, you can link Kina because them man, as me tell you, music man like a big bad artist.
Yeah,
man. Latest thing just put out. Big up Lena. So me say Angela. Whole of Luton. Big up. Whole of Luton. You know our place. Yeah, man.
Well, right, people them a laugh and I say, boy, wait there. My woman energy gone. His energy is gone. Yeah. That's what tell about Ray and his nephew. Take him energy. You know, right off. And we have Trilla Miller. Video shoot there, how was it?
It was good. But they are wait for old too. We are telling the energy there.
Energy. Well, the energy gone to Maroon man, the Ray and the nephew deal with him.
Cheap people that him a work with, you know.
What? Ray and nephew. Give with him case, man. Yeah,
man. Energy there.
I'm better send for energy. Yeah. Yo, Maroon man said, energy gone. Run out of energy. Maroon man, run out of energy. What mad dog? And we have mad dog over here. One mad dog himself. Guys, the first time as I reach, you know, I know Jamaica good life. And the first time as I reach in a Trenchtown, the first person I see was Mad Dog himself. He was the first face, you know, on the camera. When I said, yo, Mad Dog, Bala. Remember the first video when I came back to Trenchtown, he was the first face, you know, before everybody else started to show them face. I said, yo, the first person to go on the video, you know, and they have colors and the rest of everybody show them face. You know, it was a great time, great moment, you know, trust me. And we're there, the video shoot.
Yeah, man. Straight.
Yeah.
I say eyeglass to the world, you know, everywhere. All bought, I do for a living.
Selling eyeglasses.
Yeah, and take care of my son.
Oh.
Yeah, and I
real family man.
You know, straight. Yeah, man, I mean, he said daddy.
Yeah.
I mean, he said straight.
Yeah.
I mean, he said way up to the sky.
I mean.
Yeah, all of the man who know them straight say straight.
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 I mean, straight says straight.
Way up to the sky.
Oh, nothing. Nothing.
Yeah, I say daddy, you know, we take it to the world, you know. Yeah. I hate that, man. Yes,
man, dogs. Big up yourself.
And I say, I have the new dancer named Twingy Twang.
What? That bad like yours, you know, man.
Yeah, man.
That Twingy Twang, they're bad like yours.
I'm watch it already, you want to see it again?
I mean. I'm going to see it again.
New dance named Twingy Twang.
Twingy Twang, see that? Hey.
Walk with the Twingy.
Walk with the Twingy. Walk with the Twingy.
Right side.
Right side.
Left
side. Yeah.
Right
side. Hey. Left side. Hey.
Walk with the Twingy.
Hey. Walk with Twingy Twang.
Twingy Twang.
Hey.
Reverse the Twingy.
Reverse the Twingy. Reverse the Twingy. Reverse the Twingy.
Reverse the Twingy.
Hey.
Walk with it.
Hey.
Center in our belly now.
Hey. Sit in our belly. In our belly. In our belly. In our Twingy. In our belly.
Twingy.
In our belly.
Walk with the Twingy.
Hey. In our belly. Walk with the Twingy. Walk with the Twingy. Run with the Twingy. Run with the Twingy. Run with the. Hey. Hey, right side, hey, left side, hey, right side, hey, right side, hey, left side, hey, twins that, hey, in our belly, in our belly, no, in our belly, hey, in our thing it one thing get wrong is no other. That's the new dance name, Twingy Twanga. Don't try that at home, but you tell them so the dance is copyright. Them cannot steal a one them a dog.
Hey, nobody don't know you boy. We don't recognize you know no use. Your skin chippy. And you never put flippers.
Hey, my dog, yes sir. Yes sir. It shall come. Eh?
Most of our kids my rastas are
Just? Let me honest. Hold it here.
My kids my rastas are
Eh? Who forget this? Hold this. Yeah. Give me one, get Rashida. Cold food one done already.
Yeah, most of them tight suit there, them all in one something there running now, you know. Yeah, man, so you don't know. I mean, like one time when a jeans are wear, at this are wear, and you say that. I know every year something else come out.
Who I get that?
Man, hold on. I'm on it.
Oh. Hold on. Yo, give them.
Stop it, Cam. We are the dog.
Guys, it's a share. People want to say if you can share. I like rice just
Yeah, man, Carlos done so well.
Yellow.
She for himself. MP. Delicious. No.
Mother Road.
Yeah. A food road. Mother Road, food road. Boy, pebbles one. God. You never eat pebbles. You never eat no food. I plate empty and empty. Jackson. Making it known. Everything.
Slice up very fun.
Yeah. So wait, the maroon man get back energy? Maroon man.
Yo, cleaner general.
Yeah. He said food done. Food done.
What? I say, a full jar of food. Energy!
Alright.
Yeah, man, I'm full of it, but I tell them, say, you have to charge up, man.
Yeah.
You see, you have some energy work for yourself. And you see, when time the food not there in my belly,
yeah.
we can't find the energy there.
Yeah.
We find it, you know, man. Me I tell you, it's a wonderful beautiful day. Energy day.
Energy day.
Yeah, man, a good day. Big up my foreign friend, sir.
Yeah.
Don't know. Full joy the day with me. Energy.
Energy. See there, in the kitchen. In the kitchen, the Raccoon family and the Draper family. When you reach. Trilla Miller, when you say, oh, there was the food.
What? Food, man. You know what say people?
Yeah.
The man them give me fish. And after I'm done the last part of the fish me have to get to me, my allergic to fish. So me just say, yo, eat a damn piece of chicken and call it a day.
When you reach the last part, you realize you're allergic. Yo, wait a minute. And the video man say, yo, the food is bad.
Man, yeah, man, you know, say, I really spicy that.
Yeah.
One spice, me Italian spice.
Yeah.
New York twice, you know?
Yeah, well, him can't speak no because him tongue heavy.
Yeah, man, that is
you know when him hand it
this way,
watch your mouth, watch your mouth. Mouth to brush off. Your mouth to brush off.
I might drink that. No, my mind just went like man. Oh! Yeah, my back was down there, everyone. Watching up. A cup of water. Cool up the temperature.
Really back for them and get cheese.
Sorry, we get wild early on, but I saw it go. Yeah, but.
Are they real?
Yeah, man. Watch out. No. No rum. You never play no rum, no rum. Rum can't do nothing. Rum can't top in the face around it.
Rum make you do that.
No.
I'll invite watch out, you lick over top the ground juice. Lick over the man cranberry juice.
Rum can't get it, man. I have to do something. No rum. I want to love in nature do it, man.
Yeah.
I don't know my whole for nature, you know. Because I love girls, you know.
Yeah.
You know, say girl, I say, whoa.
Whoa.
Big up,
Energy. See that? Oh, boom. Boom get him phone. Knock out. Knock out. I need a food for him.
Food there for boom. Boom can't knock out.
Yeah.
When a circle come back. Yes,
And the sun beat him up, man.
whoa. Yeah, I said setting up. Yo. When them radar. I want the radar, you know.
Yeah.
Setting up to buy different sorts, you know.
Yeah.
I don't know what I said.
Hello, miss. What's your height, bro? What's knock. What's going on, John?
What you doing?
I hear the man say, what you doing? Something I teach him. He's learning. Wagwan. Are you? What? No. Who are teaching the tickers? The tickers. Aye.
I got nothing to do with it.
Yeah. Something is innocent. So him say about 6:30.
Yeah, perfect.
Mr. Kai said I'm going to deal with something, so.
Good.
Alright, so I'm just there. I go and wait, you know. I'm going to consume some food, like all of you. Because I have it. No, that's me, I always working. I haven't ate nothing from mine more than one smoothie juice, fruit juice. And I'm still up and working, right? Satnam eat 3 times already, man, John. Well, John need the energy, you know, because John are going with things. Yeah. Alright then, so Satnam, I got mine in there. Yeah, I'm going to finish quick and fast. Right here. We have the Prime Minister over there.
Granny band down there, man. I love, man.
Why, Mr. Video shoot, what go on?
You know, so I have to go dig the street, take off a little piece of $1 off the road and get back here.
Yeah.
And next day, I'm there for the next shoot.
The photo they look like you, eh?
One team that is dream team and that is key, you know.
Yeah.
Nobody can clone him in the scheme. You hear that? Realest youth is key around here. Remember that? No joke. He make it work, man.
Yeah. So the legend them in the Players Foundation, man, them cool food. but it feels dinner hot. We have one Jenna. How was the video shoot, Jenna?
Gorgeous, man. Everything plug out, you hear that?
Yeah. Everything plug out and plug in.
One Gino, so you hear that? God, I lead. God.
Looking forward for that one, you know?
Remember that. You hear that?
The Chinese man, Jamaican Chinese man is out.
Definitely. It's in one dream team.
Yeah.
Hello, drive good enough. Drive good.
Yeah. Hold on, the sidewalk. the sidewalk. You want to move it? You want to move the sidewalk? Jenna, big up, you know. You know a thing go. One Chilla Miller, never two.
When we do mash up the sidewalk.
Yeah. Alright then.
Come with the MP and then make sure fix right this side of the sidewalk.
Yeah, bring back the MP if him gonna fix right this side of the sidewalk.
Yeah,
you know a thing goes
already.
How
you vote for again?
I never vote yet, you know.
Oh, you never vote?
I vote for God.
That's true. You can't vote?
No. Hey. One Chilla. I really like that, you know. Hey, when they're real. You know who that man? The man are full of vibes, man. Same time, yeah? Yeah.
With the personnel.
With the personnel. Logic's Pro, Logic Supreme, you know? And them shoot TJ and Popcorn and Chronics and Spice. Yeah. Them quality bad, man.
Yeah. Them smooth and clean,
man.
Really high definition.
What? Let me answer, man. Say, I see the quality we are getting. The players. Good look for that good look,
man.
Aye.
One step
at a time. Of course, talking about the music I know, brother. Because music find an excuse and we can't do both.
Everything.
Yeah. You can't do everything right now. Yeah, man. Music. Yeah. Maroon man from 2015 we put it down, you know. Yeah.
So what the entry when you do with fire thing are you?
Yeah.
Listen what the entry when you tell them. It's a kid that this now.
Yeah.
You know the thing body out.
Not from 2015.
And you low it and you have to take it up back and
I know, I'm saying.
Yeah. You have it, you.
Yeah.
You see the tune content when you're dealing positive. Remember, you're gone, kid. Remember, me tell you, boss again, you. Great Britain will soon come and tour up there.
Of course.
Yeah, man.
Of course, sure.
Soon walking on some burning, some of them stayed up in London there.
For sure. Energy. Yeah, John like. Yeah. See. Energy. You see him with the energy rub off on John now, you know. John get the energy now, you know.
John feel the energy now.
Yeah.
See, John eat and belly full and
energy.
Yeah. That's right there. Yeah.
Energy, so. Yeah. What? John, energy is back. Energy! Hey, Smiley. Energy. Get him energy is back. Right away. What?
Energy! No, you have to have energy.
Of course. Of course.
No fever, no weakness around here.
No.
One team.
Dream team.
Real death side.
Yeah.
Full of energy in the team.
Of course. Yeah. Raccoon
family, I tell you, the only team I know, I mean respect, I mean honor, is Dream team.
energy. I want maroon. We're ready for them.
Yeah.
They think with that.
They think
just a come.
Just a come.
Man, for real, man. Show them a shine at maroon. Show them a shine. Yes. Show them a shine. Yo, energy.
That's what the rum do. The rum take away the energy. The food just give him back some energy right away. You know.
And look how I'm lose it now.
Right now I'm up now. You know. He's up. He's up. Yeah. Yeah.
You said me serum.
Yeah.
Energy. Yeah, man. Energy. You see what I'm doing? One energy, God.
A Prime Minister, hey, MP.
From a girl that them maroon a feature. Me line up all as a Sousa. Some man a step up in the left and down and get bigger. She jumping about some high grade ganja.
Smile, what you say about the maroon man, the energy? Of course. Come on, if I'm knee cup, if I'm knee cup that come from man, far. Yo, maroon man, tell them what them things are your core that come from. Tell them that from a knee cup.
Come from with knee, man. That's how we exercise and all of these things. Yeah, man,
yeah.
The diamond.
The diamond.
Give me more than that.
Yeah.
And I can't just no more.
Yeah.
I can do something with it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, sat up, 19, sat up, 20, 22, 22, 23, energy!
You think with that?
Yo! Yeah. Energy that, Babies, you go? No energy. Energy is gone. Right, when maroon man is around, energy. I'm telling you, yo, it was just a good day today, you know. The vibe was good, the energy is good, the food is good, the video shoot was good, everything is just good, you know, so it's a good energy.
You're alive!
No, a rum.
No fever, boy.
Yeah.
That is it.
Alright, well, guys, blessed love, guys. So you know the thing goes already. So sorry to have to end this way, you know, but as I say, it was a wonderful shoot, you know. So now we're going to get the final shot, you know, of the night. So we get a night shot to close it off as well too, you know. So just some things for give the video man ideas, you know, to see how you want to try to complete this video, you know. So I'm in my final outfit, you know, of the video shoot, you know. So I guess that's like what I think it's 3 different wear, you know, with a 1 top of change, you know. So that's a good look, you know. So the day was very progressive, You know, everyone turned out, you know, everyone played their part, you know, I'm saying I have to give thanks to Maruman, you know, this energy. And also we have to big up the Raccoon family as well for passing through. You know, each and every one of our members them that play them part, and also the people them in the community that come and give us strength. You know, we thank them so much, you know, for this support. You know, so you see the togetherness is literally it's there. You know, I want to thank them so much. You know, and Esther, hey, listen, this is going to be a nice video. You know, everyone, Eddie, big up yourself. Everyone that plays their part. Trilla Miller, you know, the thing goes already. Big up yourself. One Trilla Miller. You know, this man come give a different type of vibes, you know, kind of the man is that real comedian, you know. Yeah man, Trilla Miller, big up yourself, bro, from Scan That Bag. Yes, I'm saying stay tuned, you know, stay tuned. It's gonna be a lovely video, you know, and everything. Literally, I am tired, you know, because I got up so early, you know. I couldn't even sleep early, you know, because you are used to the late nights of up editing and everything, so I still went to my bed late. I guess I get like 2 hours sleep. Yeah, I think I got about 2 hours sleep, you know, and then get up early because I was trying to get sunrise. So I guess the video man got caught up, so kind of delaying that part, but we're gonna try to do something like the next day somewhere else, you know, to just close up everything, you know. So patiently, you know, this video, give it time, you know, don't want to rush anything. I want to make sure it's a nice video. After so long I've been doing a video as well too, so I don't really want to rush it. I want to make sure the video man is comfortable, everyone is comfortable, get a nice video out, you know, so everyone can really check in and really see what I go on, you know, because I am back again doing music, you know, also doing charity, you know, also doing something that I love so much. So you know, we always say, yo, we have limited of time here, you know, in this universe. So while we're here, just make the use of it, you know. So I decided to make use of it, doing both, you know, giving back and also doing music as well, because music is something that's literally a part of me. So yeah, here's something I'm saying very positive, constructive, you know. So we're gonna get into it more and more. So let's say love, guys. So we're gonna head outside now to go head on, you know, to take on the next shoot. So once I get this done with, I can literally get some rest, you know, cause I want to sleep. But nah, like sleep up by me. But anyway, it goes to work. I have to put in the work never stops. So I am putting in the work. All if a chicken we are jerk, I said work we are work. So let the work begin, you know. So that is it, guys. That is it. So stay tuned. Blessed love. So please like the video. You know, stay tuned and bless you all. Dream Team, one team. Peace.
Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we'll make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.